What is going on, guys? Today we're taking out the Integra. It's leaking a tiny bit of oil, but that's not the main problem. The main problem here is it's hella dirty. I'm not gonna lie, I have not washed this thing in probably 3 months. So got the old bucket of hot water right there, some soap, and we're gonna do a quick wash before we take it out. Always make sure you check your oil levels, you know, before you take it out for a nice little legal cruise. Yeah, it's looking like it has some oil on it. All right, we soaped up. We all soapy. Even got the wheels because there's hella brake dust on it. Oh, we're clean again, sort of. Not really, but cleaner. I need to get a new hood. This hood's still hella ugly. I don't know what happened to it. I think he found it in probably the worst part of the junkyard. I'm not even sure if this came from a junkyard, but yeah, at least we're finally getting clean. Even though it's raining tomorrow, but I want my car to look clean at least for one day out of the year. This is crazy. I have never seen my gram lights the actual blue it's supposed to be. The whole time it's just had brake dust on it. Wait, those are blue? Yeah, they're blue. I know, right? You would never know because they've always been so dirty. Guys, first time you guys have ever seen blue gram lights on my car. They're pretty much brake dust gray this whole time, but now, damn. They came out nice. All right, guys, let's see if it starts. It's been sitting for a whole month. Man, I love Hondas. I'm like, hands down, Honda, Toyota makes the best cars, best engines. Never mind, I think the battery's a little weak, so I gotta hold it. Yeah, I think my K20 swap has a Bridgeport. Oh, you can't come? It's cause I think he's afraid because I dapped him last time. Also, guys, I can't afford to drive anymore. This is probably my last video. Oh, you're not, are you, it's cause, you're scared?
I'm hella scared.
It's all good, bro.
I seen this pull up behind me.
Yeah.
And I almost
started shaking.
I need full arrow, look, and I still can't catch up.
Dude, it's all right. It's just an M3, bro. You'll get there one day.
Be serious, don't upgrade me like that.
Yeah, oh shit. Oh my god, I can't see anything. I'm blind. Let me just grab the sun visor. Oh. Guys, can I just say, look how nice this thing cruises at 90. Like, look, hands off the wheel. Dude, it's so smooth. It's kind of crazy how like this track car is like one of my smoothest driving cars. It's crazy. All right, guys, that was an officer of peace, a police officer, also known as. Good thing I was behind this Accord going very slow in the speed limit. You guys saw that, right? Also, guys, this is the first time I pushed it with this new gauge cluster, so I just want to make sure that it doesn't go over the halfway mark. Simon says that the K-swap to GSR cluster conversion thing doesn't read dead set in the middle like it normally does on the K-swaps. Apparently, it's supposed to read like a little under half. So if it goes over half, I'm gonna have to kill the car because I mean, just overheating, and we don't want to do that again for the second time. All right, hopefully you guys can see me. I'm just gonna be going the legal speed limit here. Not too well, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Yeah, like I said, guys, I haven't really driven this car in a hot minute, so. I forgot what the red line. I think the red line's like 85. I forgot though. If I'm being completely honest. Oh yeah. And you can see it start to slip a little there, so that's why I mean, technically I wanted to ham it out, but not too much. It's got to be a little smoother, so I don't die here. That'll be unfortunate. Fast. He has John in the car too. I'm so embarrassed, guys. I'm just not as good. I think I just need to become a better driver and hit the track, which I will be doing this summer because my car's actually, look, it's not overheating. Knock on wood. That's not wood, but you guys get what I mean. I mean, it handles like really well. You guys can see in this like more it's got more curves here, it's more turns, you know. I feel like it does pretty well. It's also fast in a straight line because it's K-swapped, you guys know. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. It's K-swap. I got a K20 Z3 in it from 08 SI Honda Civic, so it is the USDM version. It's not the big baller type R motor because I don't have it like that. But you know, it was a good $2,500 for the engine and transmission. So I think that's pretty good. I think I got an okay deal on it. It only had 109,000 miles. He showed me the odometer while he pulled it. And I was like, oh, perfect. Actual verified miles with a Honda. That's very rare nowadays to prove mileage with swaps. But yeah, he gave me the VIN and everything like that. So. Oh shit. It's got no ABS, guys. Make sure you remember that fact if you do any like hard braking, because you know, you don't want to die. I missed my heel on the gas right there. Make sure you don't do that. Woo! Yeah, I like this car. You guys see it? It's not bad. Like I said, I don't have my racing shoes on. I got my Nike Dunks on. You guys see that? Ultimately, yeah, I just need more skill. Wait, manual Supra? That's honestly a dream. I don't have $70,000, so.
You guys didn't know what to do. I kind of want to go now. I mean, like,
all right, guys, I think it's time to leave. I'm not gonna lie. That
good seeing you, man. You too.
Those lights usually mean it's time to go, so we got to get out of here. So one thing I'm blessed with is that the darn heater works. The heater actually works, so I can actually not freeze my ass off. Oh, also, yeah, we gotta skedaddle.
You got it. What did he do? Oh, he's done. Nah, he's done. What happened?
Fun. I spun too much.
Oh man.
I was gonna try to race Griffin, but my axle's being weird. It's popping.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, too much power, huh?
Actually, I'm gonna replace the axle soon.
Oh, okay, okay. You know he's talking about that the second we get home.
All right, guys, I did a little race with Ethan. I think I honestly broke my shaft. My half shaft isn't doing well. The front axle, I'm pretty sure I busted it, but I won the race, so that's all that matters.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, the footage.
Bro, let me get. You were recording. Can I get that footage?
Yeah. I hate to tell you, but the one that you allegedly beat him in isn't saved.
Bro, I need it. No, I need that. I need it. Wait, where is it?
I kind of said no, bro.
I need that. I need that footage right now.
You want to run it back, right? What the?
Post game interview.
All right, wait, bro, wait. Why are you? Where are your pants?
Oh yeah.
What the?
All right, guys. Post game interview. I'm about to shower. Bro, stop. I'm about to shower, so I don't have pants on. But yeah, I think that went pretty well as expected. I usually win those races, but that one I pulled pretty far ahead. Does a contender have anything to say?
Contender.
I'm happy. It made him happy that he was able to race me with 2 people in the car. And on the
True.
third race, he pulled ahead.
Full interior gutted.
Wait, you know what I was thinking?
Uh.
I probably got him off a 20.
What does Pickle have to say about that?
Who won?
Who won?
Oh, she's gonna fall, brother.
Stand on business.
Business is toilet papers.
Guys, I currently have no pants on.
What are you doing?
But
Just go away.
I will say,
Shut up.
that I'm gonna hold this one win that I ever got against Ethan above his head, you know, and that is what it is.
Wait. So just let me make sure. Are you gonna show the previous clip or no?
Yeah, I'll show the previous clip. I'll
Okay.
show the previous clip because he did beat me, and that's usually how it goes. But I'm gonna hold
I'll
out.
give it to you. I'll give it to you.
I'm gonna hold out. I'm gonna hold out one win above his head. You know?
I lost the video.
Huh?
I lost the video. My fault, OG.
No, bro. Wait, no. We need to show both clips. Both clips. Yo, what is going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. As you guys saw, finally got to rip the Integra. It drives pretty well, and honestly, held up decently with the M3. I'm definitely holding that one win I've ever gone out of Ethan, out of the 20 races we've done with the Integra versus the M3 above his head. I think he just spun too much because his tires are like super worn out, and I just got a really good launch. But yeah, you know, I think it's just driver mod. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, in all honesty, the Integra is such a good car. It looks like a piece of kind of garbage on the outside, but honestly, I spent quite a bit of money, a nice pretty penny on this entire build. I'll probably do another video later if you guys want to know how much I spent on the K-swap and how I K-swapped it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are curious. I don't know how many people that watch these videos are into Hondas, but you know, me and Ethan went through a lot in this Integra. I mean, we didn't even know how to K-swap it, and we kind of sort of half figured it out and had help from Jesus and other people like Simon help put this car together. So we learned a lot on the way of what to do and what not to do, and what cost, you know, would have been more cost efficient versus, you know, what I ended up spending, you know, just because I didn't know certain things, and I ended up spending more on certain parts that I could have saved money on. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a video. I've been thinking about doing it like a whole build and cost breakdown of the entire K-swap. So but yeah, anyways, if you guys saw in the beginning, we still do have the Midnight Driver hoodies. I'll put the link in the description down below. All the hoodies, all the sales help go towards all the builds. And it also gives us something, you know, to get back to you guys that you guys can wear around and stuff like that. You know, rep the brand. So really appreciate all the support, guys. And yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.